GATE 2018 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 55. An aerial photograph of a terrain having an average elevation of 1400 meter is taken at a scale of 1:7500. The focal length of the camera is 15 centimeters. The altitude of the flight above mean sea level in meters needs to be found up to 1 decimal place. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited. When it comes to finding the scale of a vertical photograph, an aircraft is flown over the ground which is at a certain elevation from the datum level. Let us call this as an average elevation over the datum level. So the aircraft has a camera focused on the ground which clicks photos. This camera will click photos with a certain focal length. This is the photograph that the camera will click of the ground below, and it will be scaled accordingly. The focal length of the camera lens would be f. Let us call this distance as a small ka and the distance on ground as capital Ka. So we know that scale is given by photo distance by ground distance. So it is denoted by s, and photo distance here is a small ka and ground distance is capital Ka. Using the concept of similar triangles where the plane is flying at a height of capital H from the datum, we can see that the height between plane and the ground would be h minus h average. So Ka by Ka would be the same as f divided by h minus h average, using the concept of similar triangles. So the scale of a vertical photograph in photogrammetry is given by focal length divided by the height of the plane above the datum level minus the average elevation of the ground. In the given problem, focal length has been given as 15 centimeters, scale has been given as 1:7500, and average height of the ground is given as 1400 meters. Using the equation of a scale that was obtained in the previous slide, which is f by h minus the average elevation, here the scale is 1/7500, focal length is 15 centimeters, which will be taken in meters, divided by h minus 1400. This would give h minus 1400 as 1125, which would give the value of capital H as 2525 meters. This will be the elevation of the plane above the datum level, or the mean sea level in this case. So the altitude of the flight above mean sea level or the datum was found out as 2525 meters. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited.